Okay. So I'm here to talk to you about biofilms. So I'm sure we're all aware of bacteria, fungi, virus in the normal world. We're all coming into contact with them. But what you might not be aware of is that actually up to 85% of bacteria and viruses and fungi are actually found within biofilms. So the most common biofilms that you might come across is just plaque in your teeth or gunk in your sink and your washing machines. And we've all kind of come across it. So one of the main components of a biofilm is that they are in these community of cells. Now these community of cells are stuck on a surface usually, and they communicate within each other, so they're able to pass on resistance mechanisms within this. And I'm sure we're all aware of the increase in antimicrobial resistance. The O'Neill report based in 2016 estimates that by 2050 antimicrobial deaths are estimated to be about the same as cancer. So we're running out of options basically for antimicrobial resistance. And unfortunately biofilms inherently by nature are already resistant to antibiotics. They're formed in a glue-like substance, which is a matrix composed of different components such as lipids, eDNA, and this is a really thick glue, and so antibiotics are unable to penetrate this, and so they actually are stopped from working by getting through this layer. So the aim of my PhD is to look at modelling of these biofilms. We're hoping to robustly and reliably be able to model these, such as the marine biofilms that you might find in your sink, or even in larger scales up to the marine. So boats actually have an increased drag, even by a little biofilm, just on the bottom of their ships, and also in the oil works and things like that. So we're really looking to model these in a quick way. So here we have a larger scale, which is in a 24-well microtiter plate. And this is a relatively small sample size, but I'm looking to bring this down into a 96-well format that we can use very quickly, very easily to test whether microbes we're able to prevent them forming, or if we can disrupt ones that are already there. Now this has massive implications in the healthcare sector as well. It's quite a tricky issue with hospital surfaces. We can't clean them properly. Catheters are indwelling surfaces as well. So we're hoping to really boost the research behind biofilms, as most research into bacteria or fungi is done using planktonic cells, which are not like we would see in the natural world. So the more research we can do with biofilms, the more likely we are to know how these work in the real world.